Hey guys, so there have been many Reddit posts here that number one issue with Sonos Arc, you can connect your phone through the Bluetooth and play music. So if you want to connect it through the iPhone, it's not going to work through the Bluetooth. This is just information for you. The Arc isn't complete with Bluetooth. If you have an iOS device, you can connect to the Arc via AirPlay. So you're gonna look on AirPlay, and this is how you're gonna connect it to your Sonos, and you can also download the Sonos app. So this is what you need to do. You're going to play it through the Wi-Fi, not through the Bluetooth itself. So that's pretty much that I wanted to share with this video. And if you want to, you can connect to Arc via AirPlay. And this is something how it's done. So use AirPlay to connect it with Sonos Arc, and that's how you're gonna do it. And have a great day and goodbye.